Hey folks, Marble Geezer back with a follow-up to my demonstration last week of Magic Eraser from the Google Pixel 6 Pro. A subscriber wanted me to do a comparison between Google's Magic Eraser and Samsung's Object Eraser. So here we go.
Let's do this!
So initially I was going to show you just before and after pictures of each, but I finally decided no, I'll just show you how to do it on screen. So I decided to use the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So some Samsung phones have Magic Eraser and some don't. So the way you check is you go into Gallery, you select a picture that you want to erase something from, click on the pencil to edit, slide over on the bottom menu to the extreme right, and there's the symbol for Object Eraser. The way to check is go to the three dots at the top. If you see Labs there, you have Object Eraser. Click on Labs and toggle on the switch for Object Eraser. Two of my phones do have it. My Galaxy S21 Ultra and my Samsung Z Flip 3, but not my Galaxy A52. Check my ex-wife Galaxy S9, she does not have it either, so you'll have to check. So we're going to start with Magic Eraser on the Pixel 6 Pro. So you go to Google Photos, pick a photo, click on Edit, click on Tools, and there you see Magic Eraser. So you can either pick something or you can highlight something with your finger. In this case I'm highlighting the bird bath, and now I've got it highlighted. And as you can see, it has disappeared, and then you can save the photo. Now we're going to take the same photo which I have on the Z Flip 3's gallery, and you click on Edit, slide the bottom menu all the way over to the right, hit Object Eraser, and you kind of draw a circle or whatever it takes to highlight what you want to delete, and then you click delete and it is gone. Now we'll come back with another picture on the Pixel 6 Pro. I'll select the picture. Got a little red flower pot in the middle of the yard. I click on Edit. Slide over for Magic Eraser. Highlight the little flower pot, and as you can see, it's gone. And I just have to save it. And once again, I'll select the same picture from the gallery of the Z Flip 3. Click on Edit. Go over to Object Eraser. Highlight the flower pot once again, erase, and it is gone as you can see. We'll do one more. So back to the Pixel 6 Pro, we'll select the picture, click on Edit, click on Magic Eraser, and we're going to get rid of that bush in the middle of the picture right there. So I'm going to highlight it, and as you can see, it's already disappeared, and I just save. And once again, we'll select the same picture on the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Click the Edit. Slide over to Object Eraser. highlight around that bush I want to get rid of. And click erase. And it's gone. Then you just have to save it. So let's do one more, actually with a person, me in this case. First with the Pixel 6. Back into Edit, back into Magic Eraser. And sometimes you can just tap on a person, it'll highlight the person and make them disappear. In this case, I guess I have to highlight it all with the finger myself. And of course, how detailed you are in erasing it properly is going to make your picture come out better and better. Me, I'm usually in a hurry. And you see it got rid of me, but it could be neater. You could probably do a much better job. So we'll do the same picture once again, this time on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So once again we go into Edit, get Object Eraser. This time I just have to highlight, it knows to erase me. I say erase and I am gone. And that's about it. So that time I didn't have to bother highlighting all of me with my finger. It knew that that's what I wanted to erase, or it kind of assumed that's what I wanted to erase. And often with people that'll happen also on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So that's a quick comparison of the Google Pixel 6 Magic Eraser and the Galaxy S21 Object Eraser. As you can see, both pretty easy to use, and if you're a bit neater than I am, you can probably do a much better job than I did. But at least I was able to show you how easy they are to use and how to get started. So, as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.